Hello teacher, this video is for the activity 2, medieval bestiaries. Okay, the first question, what do you think of the bestiaries? I think that they are really amazing books because they are made entirely by hand. The graphics and the calligraphy, I think is incredible. I think true works of art. Into question, why were bestiaries important in the Middle Age? I consider that the importance is due in large part to its religious meanings and moral messages. In addition to showing possible dangers in travel. Okay, in the three question, which animal did you think the most interesting? I have always found mythological creatures very interesting, mixtures of many beasts with different abilities. Is very interesting, and the mythology I really I really like me. Okay, in the fourth question, if you could create a fantastic animal, what would it be like? I will be a very agile animal that can be made invisible, and I like that will be protector of nature. Okay, this is everything. Yeah. Goodbye.